Hello guys, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to create Saber light logo reveal animation in After Effects. So without any wait, let's see the preview. Here you can see, I have already imported the logo. So without any wait, let's start creating Saber logo reveal. Create a new composition. Name it as logo animation. As usual, set width and height to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Make sure frame rate is set to 30 frames per second. Here you need to set time duration to 5 seconds. Perfect. Now let's create a new solid. Name it as background. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Gradient Ramp. Add it to background layer. Let's set the start and end color. Here you can set any color you want for your background layer. Change ramp shape to radial ramp. Set ramp start and end position. Perfect. Set ramp scatter value to 500. Here our background layer is created. Now let's add our logo to timeline. You can scale your logo if needed. Here I will slightly scale my logo. Let's recompose the logo layer. Name it as logo. Now for logo composition, let's auto trace the logo layer. Go to layer, now select auto trace. If you select preview, here you can see our complete logo is traced. Hit OK. Now for logo composition. In Effects. From Video Copilot, select Saber. Let's hide the shape mask. Here we will select Preset, Cellular. In Customize Core, change Core Type to Layer Mask. In Render Setting, change Composition Setting to Add. Change Alpha Mode to Mask Core. Also for Logo Composition, change Mode to Add. Now we will animate our Saber effect. Now at start of the timeline. Here you can set any color of your choice for glow. Change glow intensity to 300. Change glow speed to 0.80. Make sure you are at start of the timeline. Change mask evolution to -50. Now create keyframe for start size. Change start size to 0%. Now at 1 second. Change start size to 100%. For logo composition, press U to view created keyframes. At 2 seconds. Create keyframe for start size. At 3 seconds. Change start size to 0%. Now at start of the timeline, create keyframe for start offset. Change start offset value to 100%. Now at 3 seconds. change start offset value to 0%. Now, at 1 second, create keyframe for end offset. At 3 seconds, change end offset to 0%. Now here we need to change end size to 0%. Perfect. Here you can see our logo is visible. We need to hide our logo. To hide logo, in Effects and Preset, search for Fill, add it to Logo Composition. For Fill, change Fill Color to black. Now place it over Saber effect. You can see now only Saber effect is visible. Here we will create duplicate of Saber effect. Press Ctrl+D to create duplicate. For logo composition, press U to view created keyframes. Here we need to adjust the keyframes. For Saber 2, select all created keyframes of Saber 2 effect. Here we will place at 10 frames. This will shift the position of all the keyframes. Here if you want to make your Saber effect dark or more bright, you can adjust the start size. For Saber 2, change preset to portal. Here I will change glow color to orange. Change glow intensity to 170%. Glow bias to 0.30. Core size to 0.15. Maybe let's set it to 0.50. Perfect. Now let's again create duplicate of Saber effect. For Saber 3, in Customize Core, select Created Keyframes. Position them at 1 second. Perfect. For Saber 3, change preset to mist. Here I will set glow color to red. Set glow intensity to 27%. Now again create duplicate of Saber effect. For Saber 4, change preset to narrow bright. Here we will change glow intensity to 50%. Perfect. Now let's add logo composition to timeline. For logo composition, press T to bring up opacity. Now at 3 seconds create keyframe for opacity. Change opacity to 0%. Now at 4 seconds, change opacity to 100%. Let's see the preview. Perfect. Here to get the perfect and more attractive logo reveal, you can adjust the keyframes, glow intensity, and start size for Saber effects. Now let's create a new adjustment layer. In Effects and Preset, search for Curves, add it to the adjustment layer. Here you need to adjust the curves as shown. Now let's add frame. Create a new solid layer, name it as frame. Now let's create mask for solid layer. Double-click on rectangle tool to create mask. For mask 1, change shape, change unit to % of source. Change top to 10%, bottom to 90%. Select inverted. Perfect. For adjustment layer, you can also add sharpen effect. Set sharpen to 25. Now let's see the preview. Perfect. Here our logo reveal is created. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then make sure to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.